There's a saying in law that the true measure of damages is not what you are left with, but rather what has been taken from you. Would you like to learn what this means? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Let me give you a perfect example. Let's say a case involving a woman who underwent cataract surgery is now left blind in one eye. Do you think it would be a great argument for the defense attorney to turn around to the jury at the time of trial and say, ladies and gentlemen, you shouldn't award her significant money. Why? Because she still has good vision in one eye. She's left with one eye and she can now see all these great things. In all honesty, that's not a great argument to make. Why? Because it's not what you are left with. Rather, it's what has been taken from you. So now the jury has to determine how much compensation, how much money they're going to give to you as a result of the doctor's wrongdoing, as a result of the carelessness, the deviation or the departure from good and accepted medical care. And now we show to the jury, listen, it's not what the person is left with, rather you have to evaluate what has been taken from you. You had good, usable vision in both eyes. Now that's gone. You are deprived of the ability to have good, normal vision. Let me give you another example. Let's say there's a wrongful death case involving a woman who died who had 3 young children. Let's say the defense attorney comes in and argues, ladies and gentlemen, they have siblings, they have other family members that can now come in and step into the shoes of mom. So you don't have to award significant money here. Again, it's not a great argument to make. In fact, it's a horrible one. But what we do is we show to the jury, listen, it's not what the family has left, rather it's what the family had taken from them. They no longer have a mom, they no longer have a role model, they no longer have a nurturing figure who's there to provide them love and guidance and everything necessary that a mom does on a daily basis. So we make the jury recognize how significant it is that something important has been taken from them. So we point out to the jury the true measure of damages is not what the family has left, but rather what has actually been taken from them. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what we do during the course of trial when we're explaining damages and compensation. That's a significant part of the case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.